Welcome to Korean Grade 7 Math. In today's lesson, we will learn a powerful way to find prime numbers. This method is called the Sieve of Eratosthenes. It was invented more than 2,000 years ago in ancient Greece, and it is still one of the most efficient ways to find prime numbers. Before we begin, let's quickly review. Which of these numbers are prime numbers? Remember, a prime number is a number that has exactly two divisors, one in itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, and 7 are prime numbers. But numbers like 4, 6, and 8 are composite numbers because they have more than two divisors. Now the question is, how can we systematically find all prime numbers? Suppose we want to find all prime numbers between 1 and 30. Instead of checking each number one by one, there is a clever idea. We remove multiples of prime numbers. Think of it like filtering sand with a sieve. The unwanted numbers fall away and the prime numbers remain. That is why this method is called the Sieve of Eratosthenes. Step 1. Start with the first prime number 2. Now we remove every multiple of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. But notice something important. We remove the multiples of 2 except the number 2 itself, because 2 is the prime number we are using. Next, we move to the next number that has not been crossed out. That number is 3. So 3 must be a prime number. Now we remove all multiples of 3, 9, 12, 15, 18, and so on. Again, we remove the multiples of 3, but we keep the number 3 itself. Some numbers may already be crossed out, and that's perfectly fine. We simply continue the process. Next, we move to 5 and remove its multiples. Then we move to 7 and remove its multiples. Each time, we remove the multiples of the prime number, but we keep the prime number itself. We continue this filtering process. Eventually, only certain numbers remain. These remaining numbers are the prime numbers. Between 1 and 30, the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and 29. Why does this method work? Every composite number can be written as a multiple of a prime number. So when we remove the multiples of each prime number while keeping the prime numbers themselves, the composite numbers disappear. What remains must be prime numbers. This is the idea behind the Sieve of Eratosthenes. Today, we learned about the Sieve of Eratosthenes, a powerful method for finding prime numbers. In the next lesson, we'll explore exponents and powers. If you enjoy learning math like this, consider subscribing to Future Math Lab. See you in the next lesson.